You were referring dun sa busing incident na nangyari? Well, the National Maritime Council will consider these things, but we have to expect na ito ay continuous pattern na gagawin ng China laban sa atin. Ito ay continuous na struggle for presence and for assertion of sovereign rights in the area. So you will have to expect these things to happen. Hopefully, tumugon ang China sa international law at sa pangangailangan na mag-de-escalate, lalong-lalo na kung ang naratibo nila ay mali, which is mali ang sinusulong nila. Andito si Secretary Manalo. Naturally, hindi tayo pwedeng pabayaan ito kahit nasabihin ng publiko, diplomatic protest or whatnot. We cannot not do it kung hindi nag-aakies tayo.